So the serial numbers on the Quadrafogs are on the gallonage ring right here. So the model number is first, FQS 125L, which designates a low pressure nozzle. That's why the label's red and white. And then TFT-F, and there's 4 digits, 469940. You can go to our website, go to the menu, go to support, go to service center, and serial number lookup, bottom of the screen. There it is. That nozzle, this is scary. This nozzle's been in service for 19 years right now. 19 years. And I can tell you right now, by looking at the warranty information, there's been no other service on this nozzle. 19 years. Think stainless steel is important?